Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to simplify this expression 62 square plus 97 square. But these are multiple choice questions, MCQ choice questions. The options are given in that expressions. So if I going to solve in the normal methods, then what you have to do, we need to do the square. We have to find out square root of 26, then square of 97, then plus. Okay, here also we have to simplify all the values. We have to find out the square of 52, then square of 41, then plus. Similarly, all the values we have to find out. So if I going to do this in that way, so it will take a long times, right? It will take a more time. So in the competitive exams, there is a stipulated time. Within a very short time you have to answer. So today in this video, I'll show you a trick so that it will be really going to help you. So within a short time you can answer. So the trick is that if the pattern is like that, if the question is coming in that pattern, then what you have to do, you have to place one mirror out here. You have to place one mirror out here. That is the mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R, that is the mirror, and put 26 here, 26 here. Then it will give you a laterally inversion image. Lateral inversion image means left side will become right and right side will become left. So this 26 will become 62 square. Then place 97 over here. Since it is a mirror, it will give a lateral inversion image. So left will become right, right will become left, So it will give you 79 square. Ulta, just ulta. Then we have to find out square plus here plus. So this expression gives what? 62 square plus 79 square. No need to simplify further because the options are given in that fashion. Now check whether this is there or not. Yes, 62 square plus 79 square. So I hope B is the correct answer. Definitely B is the correct answer. I hope it's clear to everyone. Or if you have any questions, you can write in the comment box. I'll be there to help you. Thank you for watching.